Hello everyone, welcome to the Language Challenge. My name is Anthony and I'll be taking all of you on a journey to share with you my progress in learning Mandarin Chinese with the goal of being conversationally fluent within 90 days. Except this time, it's not my first time to learn Mandarin Chinese, so I will not be starting from scratch, but I'll be starting from an upper elementary level. Reason being is because a year ago, in 2013, I pursued the same challenge with the goals of being conversationally fluent. But about halfway through, about 45 days into the project, it came to a halt, and I didn't follow through on the challenge, which made it a failure. And looking back at that, I really want to learn how to speak Chinese, to be able to converse with friends, to be able to travel to Chinese-speaking regions and be able to converse, meet new friends, get into very interesting projects that involve the use of Chinese, to be able to understand and watch Chinese movies and TV shows and entertainment series, just to have be able to understand it without subtitles. That would be great too. So yeah, so here I am back and re-pursuing this challenge after learning from the failures and why it ended up being a failure the first time. And basically what happened was the fact that I was separating my studying pattern between when I was learning Chinese during the morning hours or during the evening hours that I allocated. I would speak during that period that I'm picking up, but once those hours are over, I didn't really use it throughout the day as much as I should have. So then that was one reason it didn't go through. I think learning from that mistake this time around, I realized that I should be using the language, not just when I'm aggressively studying and memorizing words and learning phrases and having practice speeches and mimicking actors on TV and so forth. But even when I'm not actively studying, I should be using it, practicing the language out on the street. Even if we're making a lot of mistakes, it doesn't matter because we have to get into the habit of speaking. So that's what I'll be doing this time around. Secondly was the hours that I chose to study when I wasn't speaking out in the open wasn't in a set routine, and I didn't commit to that enough. Sometimes I'll be studying in the morning, sometimes I'll be studying at night, and it just got all messed up, and certain days I'll skip. So yeah, this time around I will not be doing that. I'll be setting fixed hours, and I'm choosing to study in the morning hours when it's easiest to focus and there's least likely a chance to have any interruptions. So that's what I'll be doing, and I'll keep all of you updated with my progress and the materials that I use to study. When I'm out on the street to speak the language, I'll record some footage along the way and also share with you some productivity tips, productivity hacks. And since I travel every now and then for my day-to-day work life and holidays, I'll share with all of you travel tips on how you can travel with on a shoestring budget, or places that you can go that are not touristic places where you can actually practice the language and meet people and to have a rich cultural experience. So yes, follow me, follow my channel, follow the language challenge, and follow my progress in learning language. My goal is hopefully this progress will inspire some of you to learn a language or even pursue something of your interest. It doesn't have to be language, it could be a hobby that you've always wanted to pursue. But yeah, that's why I'm here. So just follow me and let's have fun. Alright, cheers!